In a big relief to the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, the Supreme Court today granted him interim bail until June 1st in a money laundering case linked to the alleged Delhi excise policy scam. Mr. Kejriwal's arrest by the Enforcement Directorate on March 21st stirred considerable outrage across political circles. He is currently in judicial custody on his sixth stretch of remand till May 20th. The Chief Minister had actually moved the top court against the Delhi High Court's refusal to quash his arrest and remand to ED custody. However, on May 3rd, a bench of Justices Sanjeev Khanna and Dipankar Datta made a surprise announcement that they were considering interim bail for the Delhi Chief Minister on account of the ongoing Lok Sabha elections, while highlighting that the general elections afford a unique opportunity for the electorate to choose their government for the next 5 years. The Supreme Court today in its order said that it would not be correct for them to ask the Chief Minister to approach the trial court for interim relief at this stage. The interim bail was, however, vehemently opposed by Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who apprised the court today that the Delhi Chief Minister had repeatedly ignored summons issued by the ED last October as well as December, citing Assembly and Rajya Sabha elections respectively. Yesterday, the central agency also filed an affidavit in the top court opposing any interim relief by asserting that if unscrupulous politicians are given bail for campaigning, none of them can ever be arrested as elections are an all-year-round phenomena in India. While recognizing that serious accusations have been leveled against the Chief Minister, the court in its order today pointed out that neither is he a threat to society nor does he have any criminal antecedents which would justify the denial of any such interim relief. The court also noted that the probe into the Delhi excise policy scam has remained pending since August 2022. During the proceedings today, Senior Advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi, appearing on behalf of Mr. Kejriwal, requested the court to extend the grant of interim bail till June 5th by pointing out that the results of the Lok Sabha elections are scheduled to be announced on June 4th. However, the Supreme Court refused to grant any such extension. So what are the conditions that the court imposed while granting the Chief Minister interim bail today? Number 1, he shall furnish bail bonds in the sum of Rs 50,000 with one surety of the like amount to the satisfaction of the jail superintendent. Number 2, he shall not visit the office of the Chief Minister and the Delhi Secretariat. Number 3, he shall be bound by the statement made on his behalf that he shall not sign official files unless it is required and necessary for obtaining clearance or approval of the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi. Number 4, he shall not make any comment with regard to his role in the present case. And lastly, he will not interact with any of the witnesses or even have access to any official files connected with the case. The bench today also orally remarked that they intended to wrap up arguments on Mr. Kejriwal's petition challenging his arrest next week and pronounce the judgment shortly. Delhi and Punjab are scheduled to vote on May 25th and June 1st respectively. The Delhi Chief Minister's interim bail will end on the last day of the 7-phased Lok Sabha elections. The votes will be counted on June 4th. For more such videos, please subscribe to The Hindu.